Hello, my name is Julia Wiley. This short guided meditation can be done any time of the day or evening, whenever you would like to relax, to de-stress and refresh your mind. Guided imagery such as this allows us to tap into the powers of the mind and can have a very real and profound effect on the body. This relaxing technique can lower the heart rate and the blood pressure, have a positive effect on our brain waves, and even balance out our hormones. So let's begin. Make yourself very comfortable, whether you're seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes and give yourself permission to relax. Affirm to yourself that this is your time, your space, and at this moment it is the right thing to do, to release, to let go, and to relax. Relax your mind and focus on your breath. Breathe deeply in and out through your nose. Be aware of how your breath feels as it fills your tummy and how it feels as you exhale and your tummy falls. With each inhalation, imagine all the tension in your body collecting together. And with each exhalation, imagine all this tension leaving your body. Keep the breathing smooth and deep. Long, slow inhales and long, slow exhales. Just letting go. Now imagine yourself strolling along a white sandy beach right at the water's edge. The day is clear and warm. You are wearing loose cotton clothing which blows about your legs in the warm sea breeze. You are barefoot and enjoy the feeling of the sand beneath your feet. Little bubbly waves rush in, covering your feet with cool water, and then tickle your toes as they draw gently out again. You feel happy, and a faint smile plays upon your lips. You come across a shady tree, and beside it lies a comfortable old wooden deck chair, faded by the sun. Its legs are almost sunken in the sand. It looks so comfortable. You ease yourself into it and take a long, deep, luxurious breath. Notice how the deck chair feels against your skin and the difference between this texture and that of the clothing touching your body. Your eyes rest for a moment on the horizon where the vibrant blue of the sky meets the turquoise of the sea. Sparkles of sunlight dance upon the distant waves. You run your fingers through the silvery white sand beside you and feel how the top layer is fine, warm and dry, while the layer of sand below is cooler and slightly damp. You lay your head back in the deck chair and gently close your eyes, feel the warmth of the sun on your eyelids. You notice how totally relaxed you are. In the air, you notice the faint smell of seaweed drying on the beach, and on your lips you can taste the slightly salty air. You are completely at ease, and listen to the rhythmic sound of the waves breaking on the shore. Very gently start to bring your attention back into the room. You may like to stretch your arms out above your head, perhaps wriggle your fingers and your toes, and then very slowly open your eyes and take a couple of long and luxurious deep breaths in and out through the nose. Notice how much calmer you feel, how much more refreshed, and how the stress seems to have just left your body. Remember, you can do this meditation anytime you like to take you back to that wonderful feeling of the beach, to relax completely. So this brings us to an end of this meditation. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you'd like to hear more. I come out with new meditations every week. So I'll see you next time. Bye for now.